Welcome back to Ride X. Today, we're diving into the world of supercars with the 2025 Ferrari SF90. This Italian marvel is known for its stunning design, exceptional performance, and innovative technology. Let's take a closer look. The SF90's exterior is a work of art. The sleek lines, aerodynamic shape, and futuristic design elements make it a head-turner. The active aerodynamics and advanced materials ensure optimal performance and handling. Inside, the SF90 boasts a luxurious cabin with premium leather and Alcantara trim. The driver-focused design features a digital instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment system. The seats are designed for comfort and support, perfect for both daily driving and track days. The SF90's hybrid powertrain produces 963 horsepower, combining a 4.0-liter V8 engine with 3 electric motors. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast gear shifts, while the advanced all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability. The SF90's performance is breathtaking. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, with a top speed of over 220 miles per hour. The handling is precise and responsive, making it a thrill to drive on both road and track. The 2025 Ferrari SF90 starts at around $700,000, depending on the trim level and options. Key features include hybrid powertrain, 963 horsepower, 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, advanced all-wheel drive system, active aerodynamics, premium leather and Alcantara trim, digital instrument cluster, infotainment system with navigation. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Ferrari SF90. This car is a true masterpiece of Italian design and engineering, offering exceptional performance, precision, and power. Thanks for watching Ride X, and we'll catch you in the next one.